today a milestone for the brand. We invite the PR manager of Nubia Philippines, the leading voice in the brand's journey of innovation, creativity, and consumer experience. And now please help me welcome no other than Miss Carla May Palo. Please give her a round of applause, everyone.
Good morning, thank you everyone. Okay, so thank you very much for being here and for joining us for our first ever Nubia Vibe Fest 2025. Our dear friends from media, it's such a pleasure to welcome you all. Also for our KOL friends, for influencers, we're also very welcome. This exclusive program is such a preview of what's going to be a very exciting weekend ahead, especially for our two-day event for the Nubia Vibe Fest 2025. Before I start, I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of our dear leaders who are very supportive for this event. Today is a very special milestone for us as we officially introduce our newest smartphones, the Nubia V80 design and Nubia Air. These two devices represents what Nubia stands for: smart innovation, elegant design, and technology that complements every lifestyle. And now, what is Nubia Vibe Fest all about? It's more than just a product launch. Really don't want to do like a typical product launch where we're in a hotel room and we will just sit there, watch the slides and all that. So we're here, we want to do a small event that is more experiential, that would celebrate its individuality, creativity, and connection. Our theme is Find Your Vibe with Nubia, and it's all about discovering who you are and how you express it freely. And with our tagline, which is Be Yourself. Through this Vibe Fest, we wanted to create something beyond the typical launch. It's a two-day festival that is more about music, lifestyle, and experiences. Also, guests can explore new devices, enjoy live performances from our top celebrities and P-pop groups, and it also take part in exciting raffles, including Nubia smartphones, and from our partners, TT Racing. They have amazing sets of chairs and other furniture. We are also very proud of our collaboration with Coco Fresh Tea and Juice, where guests can review and enjoy milk tea and limited edition merch that is really quality and that celebrates its individuality. Our goal at Nubia is to be more than just a smartphone brand. We want to be your lifestyle companion that inspires creativity, confidence, and innovation. So again, to our dear friends from media, thank you for your continued partnership and for helping us share your story for more Filipinos. Your presence and support truly means to us, even when we start from last year. We're doing media reviews, we're doing KOL reviews, and we really see how Nubia grew, especially this year as we launched the DOP series. We're the only brands who have the music-centric phone right now. So you can really expect more for Nubia, especially for next year. After this program, please take your time to explore the product experience booth, visit the Coco X Nubia, enjoy the milk tea, and of course, get the first-hand look to what's in store for us. The LDUs are displayed and you can check the features, other existing models, and also the limited edition merch that can be part of the promotions for today's event. Also, once again, thank you for being here and celebrating with us this milestone, and let's continue to lead boldly, live creatively, and find our vibe with Nubia. Thank you, everyone.